Beautiful. Right, now, folks, ditching the Akubra for the Buckaroonie bucket hat, and we're here to talk about the Hervey Bay Convoy to Camp, Mr. Buckaroonie's camp out. It's going to be amazing. For some of us, it started already, who are already up there, oh my goodness, and others will be cruising up from tomorrow. Some of them might be already on their way from interstate. Guys, if you're coming up from Brizzy and you're going to Hervey Bay, the Buckaroonie Camp Out event, jump in the convoy, guys. It's going to be a heap of fun. We're staying at Hangar O. I'll leave the links in the description below. I'll put a little thing in the thing here, so if you want to type it, you can put it in your browser and all that sort of stuff. Contact me on Instagram, guys. It's going to be the best way to organise the trip for me to get details to you about where we're meeting, particularly tomorrow. If you want to join us tomorrow on Monday, myself and Rob Richmond from Australian Camping and 4-Wheel Drives. G'day, mate. How you going? We're going to meet at a point tomorrow. I'm not going to make it public on here. I'm going to make sure that if you want to join us for that, it's going to be in the morning, just north of Brizzy, at a particular time, and we're going to start the convoy from there. Now, you don't have to join us on Monday, of course. You don't have to join us on Tuesday. You can join us on Wednesday. Our base camp is going to be Hangar O. Now, I'll put the link for the website below. I'll also put a link to my video that I did on Hangar O so you can see it out. It's an awesome campground, guys. They've got camping, glamping. They've got an airfield. If you want to join the convoy via your plane, you can come in via plane if you want. That probably doesn't make much sense to you, so make sure you check out the video I did on Hangar O, and you're going to absolutely love the place. Anyway, that's going to be the base camp, I suppose, for the convoy. So a lot of people are joining us at Hangar O because obviously with travel timings and everyone's schedules, they're all slightly different. So to get a lot of people in at the same time on the road for that initial kickoff is very tricky. So we're all meeting at Hangar O, just north of Gympie. But we start, myself and Rob, just north of Brizzy tomorrow morning. That's Monday morning. This is your last chance, guys, to join the convoy. You have to let me know if you're coming or not because I'm not going to know if you don't let me know. So get in touch with me on Instagram or Facebook via private message, guys. Don't leave a comment on one of my posts or anything like that. I might not see it. Send me a private message on Instagram or Facebook. I'll put the links here and in the description and all that sort of stuff. Try and make it as easy as I can for you guys. And that way we can all cruise up to Hervey Bay and into Buckaroonie's camp in a big convoy, tooting horns and carrying on. So it'll be a lot of fun. I'd love to have you all join us. Anyone who's going to the Buckaroonie camp, feel free to join the convoy. It's going to be a heap of fun. It's now Sunday, and I have pretty much just started my prep. It has been absolute chaos. I apologise for not giving updates for the last week. I've been up in Cairns, and I've been working down the Gold Coast, and it's just been absolutely flat out. So I'm trying to get everything done for, 7 to 10 days camping in one day. It's absolutely chaotic in this garage right now. And if you look just over there, there's a little sneak peek. See if you can work it out. Let me know in the comments below if you can work it out. The new swag, the new tent, the new sleeping arrangements I now have, giving it a first run at the Buckaroonie camp. So it could be a disaster. That's the first time I've set it up. It's now Sunday. We leave tomorrow. So I haven't even slept in the thing yet. So it's going to be interesting. I might be roughing it, so to speak. Anyway, get in touch with me, guys. If you want to join the convoy, we'd love to have you along. It's only for people going for the Buckaroonie camp out. I do apologise if you're travelling north and you see this and you want to join in. Kind of just keeping it to the Buckaroonie community, just for continuity and everyone sort of knowing each other already a little bit. So, but if you're in that and you're coming along, get in touch with me, Facebook, Instagram. I'd love to have you all with us, and be a lot of fun driving up there and a couple of nights at Hangar O. When you book at Hangar O, guys, you do have to book. It's not a free camp, like I've said in the other update videos. Let them know in the comments section of the booking form online that you're with our little group, and they'll make sure that they allocate enough space for us and all that sort of stuff. There's a few of us coming already, guys, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I'd love to have you join in. Get in touch with me, Facebook, Instagram, and we'll make it happen. All right, I better get back to it. I've got so much to do. Oh my God, I haven't even gone shopping yet. Anyway, get in touch with me, Instagram, Facebook, we'll make it happen. Hangar O is where we're meeting. Get in touch with us, we'll let you know all the details, and we'll go from there. Hope to see you with us. If not with us on the convoy, we'll definitely see you up at the camp. It's going to be a fantastic week. We're all pumped for it, and I think old Buck's done a great job putting this together, and the weather looks like it's going to be absolutely stunning. So, which it should be for all the hard work that everybody's put in, all the donations, all this stuff, all the time and effort that's gone into this. Thank goodness it looks like we're going to have awesome weather. Let's raise some huge amounts of money for some charities, guys, and the raffles and all the rest of it. It's going to be a heap of fun. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta keep work. I gotta keep going. Time is ticking, as it is for you. So get in touch, guys, and we'll get you all the details to you about the specifics of the convoy. Hopefully see you on the convoy. If not, we'll see you up at Hervey Bay. All right, guys. Cheers. Hooroo. Now, what else do I need?